Hey gamers, have you ever noticed your internet slowing down every time Steam starts downloading a game? It's super frustrating, right? But don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you how to easily limit Steam's download speed on Windows so you can still browse, stream, and game without any lag. Let's get started. First, launch Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, click on Downloads on the left-hand side. This is where we can manage Steam's download settings. Turn on the Limit Download Speed toggle. Enter the bandwidth limit you want to set in kilobits format in the Enter limit in kilobits per second field. For example, 50 megabytes, you have to multiply 50 by 1024, 1 megabytes. A megabyte is actually equal to 1024 kilobytes. Steam will now download games at the speed you set. And that's it. Now you know how to limit Steam's download speed and keep your internet running smoothly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more tech tips. Have fun gaming, and I'll see you in the next video.